you want to learn how to make those kind of video where your screen is splitted, make sure you watch this video to the end, as you're going to find it valuable and useful. Continue watching. So I'm going to be sharing with you, like I said, on how to split your screen. Now the tip here is make sure that the video you'll be using to split the screen should be long form video, TikTok kind of video, not videos that are in landscape. You must use long form videos, okay? So that being said, we're going to use InShot. You go to InShot, you tap on InShot, then you go to video, you tap on video. So once you tap on video, you go to new, you tap on new. Then you're going to import your first video. Okay, so this is the first video. You click on this tick here. So take for instance, this is the first video. If you want to learn how to make those kind of video, tap on this video like this. Okay, go to canvas, tap on canvas. Okay, then you tap on 1:1. This is the dimension or aspect ratio that is best for this kind of video, that is splitted kind of video format. Okay, so tap on 1:1. So once you tap on this, okay, you move this video to one side, either here or here, but let me move it to this, to the left side. You drag it to the left side, right? Then you go to this tick, you tap on this tick. Then the next thing you're going to do is to look for PIP, picture in picture, and you're going to bring in the particular video you want to react to, or you want to make a tutorial about, or any other video. But the goal here is to, show you guys how to split your screen, right? Using two different videos. Okay, you go to PIP, you tap on PIP. Then you choose the video you want to use alongside. Let me go for this, you tap on it. So once you import the video with PIP, you tap on this button here to fix the video. Tap on this button here. So once you tap on it, then you're going to see the video is going to be like this. Then you just drag. Okay, it will fit in. You go to this tick, you tap on tick. So this is video 1, this is the one we imported with PIP. Okay, so we want to mute this video because it has sound, to avoid copyright. So still go to PIP, you tap on PIP, then you tap on the particular clip again, you look for volume. Let's mute the volume. Okay, drag the volume. So play the video. So you'll be talking, then the other one will also be playing. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is just the basic tutorial on how you can split your screen. Okay, then if you want to go further, like you want to pause, okay, then the video will continue playing. Okay, all you need to do is to go a step further, go to this PIP, tap on PIP. Okay, then you cut out this because you want it to play again while our picture will just be stagnant and the video will start afresh again. Okay, then you go to split, you tap on split, you go to delete, you delete this particular side of the video. Okay, then you go back again, you go to this tick, you tap on tick, then you go to this plus sign. We are going to import a picture that will be as exactly as this. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to the very end of your video and screenshot it. I'm going to import a screenshot of exact picture you're seeing here. Go to this plus sign, I tap on this plus sign, then I go to video/photo, I tap on it. I will go to photo, not video now. Go to photo, I tap on it, then I go to this particular place, I tick on this tick. So once I tick on it, as you guys can see, both this particular picture and this looks alike because I screenshotted it. So all I need to do is to still tap on this, then I'll drag it all the way to the size of the video I'm going to still import, which is the cake video I imported before. Let's move this to this other side. Let's move it to this other side. Okay, make sure that you start from here. I don't want this video to be playing again. I want to just pause and be seeing this one playing, okay? So that is what I'm trying to do. Okay, just go to PIP again. Import that same video, this same video again, to start from the beginning. Okay, let me go to PIP. I tap on PIP. Then I go to that same video. Let me go to video. You tap on video. Then you go to that same video. I'll import it again. Okay, I have to mute this video to avoid copyright. Okay, so let me tap on volume. I'll drag it all the way to the left. Then I'll go to this tick. I'll tap on tick. Okay, then I'm going to go here so that to make this particular video fit in, I'll go here. I'll tap on this particular button here. Then I'll drag this video all the way to this other side. Okay, so we have the video here. So all you need to do is to make sure that this particular video clip, okay, has the same duration with this particular picture we imported. So let's drag this particular picture up to where this the particular duration of this video. Okay, so go to this tick, you tap on this, then you go to this picture, you tap on this picture. Make sure that you drag it all the way to where this cake video ended. We are going to play this video from the beginning to the end. If you want to learn how to make those kind of video where your screen is splitted, make sure you watch this video to the end, as you're going to find it valuable and useful. Continue watching. So as you guys can see, this has stopped and this has started from the beginning to play again. So those kind of reaction videos you do see where when the person talks, the person will now pause, the particular subject matter will be playing. So this is how you can split your screen if you want to do either reaction video or any kind of related video that has to do with splitting your screen. So it's easy and simple. So like I said, make sure that your video are in long format so that it can be able to sit well like this, okay? And make sure you position it well, and that is all you need to do this type of video, okay? Hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it valuable, please don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and bye.